The task that they had to perform today is that they had to make a prototype of a piece of furniture.
So we're going to be creating a bed and a couch.
A recliner chair.
Right here is a storage space.
I was even surprised at what some of the kids had created with just such limited supplies. Some of them said they didn't like how their teammates were acting. It was something hard, but in the real world, that's what's gonna happen. So it's good preparation.
We're able to show them that school means more than just what you do in the classroom.
In first place, it's Team 3.